everybody, Topwater Johnny, and in this bass fishing video, I'll be fishing with the Arrowhead Flash J Shad 3-inch swim bait. It's a Japanese lure, so we're gonna see what it can do. Let's go. Whoa, there we go. Yeah! Woo, holy cow, folks. Topwater Johnny here, man. This is what we came here for. Look at that. Get back here. Look at that right there. That's the kind of beast that we came here for. There we go. Woo! At that one. Hooked. Everybody, Topwater Johnny here. We are out at the lake and we are fishing with the Arrowhead Flash J Shad in the 3-inch. And I'm going to be fishing this little swim bait subsurface, but also running it across the top of some lily pads as well. And we're just going to see what we can do. I normally don't fish with a lot of swim baits, but recently I've been watching these lakes I've been fishing in, and they've been chasing so many minnows and pursuing them that I thought it'd be time for me to try out one of these little swim baits and see what I can do. So this particular video, we're using a Japanese one, like I said before, the Arrowhead Flash J Shad in the 3-inch, and we'll see what happens. So let's go ahead and get started now. There we go. Gotcha. There we go. I got you, buddy. Right there. All right. All right. There's that arrow. That little swim bait got it done. All right. All right, everybody. Not the biggest bass, but he was on that arrow, swim bait, Japanese bait, and we got him. So no complaints. All right. There we go. On that arrow swim bait. All right. There we go. There we go. There we go. Woo! All right. There we go, everybody. Nice one right here. All right. On that Arrowhead, on that Arrowhead Shad, that Japanese one right here. Okay. There he is right there. Nice. And this Japanese lure, it's swim bait, putting in a little bit of work here. So running across those edges, getting those hits. No complaints. All right. All right, everybody. There we go. Nice one. There we go. There we go. All right. Got that one. There we go, everybody. Another little one, but a little better. There he is right there. No complaints. All right. All right. He's a little dirty, but it's all good. We got our next one here on that Japanese swim bait. So no complaints right there. All right. Well, everybody, that's our third one on that Japanese arrowhead K type of lure here on this one right here that we're fishing with, as I said before. So we're doing good out here. So we're going to keep on going and see what else we can make happen. So, all right then. There we go. Woo! Thought I was hung up. There we go. Woo! There we go. Look at that. Thought I was hung up. Got him on the Japanese swim bait. The arrowhead. Wow. Nice one on the arrowhead. Hello. All right, there he is on that arrowhead Japanese swim bait. Okay, all right. Hey everybody, Topwater Johnny here. We got this one, man. I threw over those weeds and trees and thought I got hung up, and this bass came out and blew it up, and we got him. So that is a nice one on that arrowhead Japanese little swim bait. That was a surprise. This is well over 1.5 pounds, so no complaints at all. All right. Nice one right there. All right then. No complaints. Terrible cover, tough cover, but we did it. Okay. There we go. There we go. Oh, God. Doggone it. Man, had that one right there. And he threw the hook, man, at the end. He threw the hook. So we know that they're out there. And we're just going to keep on swinging for them. But, man, that was a nice one right there. And I thought I had him hooked because I watched him take it for a while. I thought he had it good, but I didn't get the hook in him deep enough. So we're just going to keep on going, and we'll see what happens. All right. There we go. Got you that time. There we go. Got you. Got you that time. Woo! Got that one. Look at that. Nice. Nice one right there on that arrowhead J Shad. All right. Woo! There he is. Right there. All right. Hey everybody, Topwater Johnny here. And we got this nice one over 1.5 pounds on that swim bait there. So we don't have no complaints on that one. We got this one. So that's all good. All right. There he is right there. Redemption, we got him. Came back around and got him. Okay. Hey everybody, Topwater Johnny here. As you saw in that last catch there, that is Redemption. I was out here, and you saw the last footage. I was out here, and I missed a fish like that. And today, I came back, and I got him. And so that really made me feel good because I just was really bothered that I missed that fish yesterday. But I waited a day, came back out, Redemption. So no complaints, man. All right. There we go. There we go. All right. On that Japanese Shad. All right, everybody. There he is. right there. Another nice one on that shad. All right then. All right, everybody, here we go. Another one here on that shad. They love that little Japanese arrowhead shad lure there, that J shad. So we are doing something with it. All right. All right, everybody. There he is right there. Nice little one, about a pound. All right. There we go. There we go. There we go. All right. Woo! Look at that. Got him on that one. Got him on that. Got him on that shad. All right. Look at that right there. Okay. All right, everybody. We got a nice one right here on that arrowhead J shad right out the gate. Got a nice one here. So this location is proven successful. No complaints. All right. This one right here, a little over a pound and a half, almost two on that swim bait. All right. All right, everybody. There we go. Nice one already. Looking good here. Hey everybody, it's Topwater Johnny. Hope you enjoyed that video there. What we're going to do now is do our closer look of the Flash J arrowhead. And then I'll come back and I'll give you my final thoughts. Okay. All right, everybody, here is the arrowhead Flash J shad in the 4-inch. As you can see right here, has that nice big boot tail in the back here. So it creates a lot of kicking action in the water here. Got a lot of glitter, as you can see, running along here. This is actually the bluegill pattern. So it has a lot of glitter to create a lot of attractant. But also, as you can see, look in here. You can see inside of this lure is this silver, almost aluminum foil type material in there. And that's where the flash comes from, because this lure really does create a lot of presence in the water and is noticeable. Has that big eye in the front right there, as you can see. Also in the bottom here, once again, this is a darker model, but definitely creates a really good fish silhouette. As you can see in the bottom here, kind of like got a little cut mouth in the front, so it even will spit a little bit on the surface. Also, look right here, everybody. It's got a little split area here, so this could be set up as a weedless presentation, or you could run it through a hook and have the hook exposed, or you could have it in the front and make it into a drop shot. So it really is depending on how you want to fish it. I was fishing it as more of a top water swim bait, so the hook was on top and was exposed as I ran it through the shallows. So there you go, everybody. There is your closer look at the fish arrow Flash Day shad in the 4-inch. All right. Hey everybody, it's Topwater Johnny here. Hope you enjoyed the video. Once again, you had your closer look at that lure. I'm going to show it to you one more time here so that you guys can get another look at that right there. That is that Flash Arrow Flash J shad. And in the early part of the video, I said it was a 3-inch. This is actually the 4-inch lure right here. The 4-inch version of the swim bait right here. This is the Japanese lure. And I want to make sure that if you're interested in getting one, what you can do to get one. The Flash Arrow, that's called a J shad, they sell it at Tackle Warehouse. So they sell the lure at Tackle Warehouse, but it's going to look more like this color right here than it is going to look like this one right here. So it's going to have this more of this look. This is actually the 3-inch, but this is the 4-inch. And so if you want the 4-inch, like exactly like the one I have, you're going to have to go to eBay, and there you can find it on eBay, and then you can order it if you want it. But there's also, like I said before, I'm going to be having a video with this lure right here in the 3-inch, but this one is still just as effective as well. So I wanted to make sure that you guys got that, and it's also, the name of it is definitely the Fish Arrow Flash J Shad Swim Bait, but then also it's what they call a finesse soft plastic swim bait as well. So I wanted to make sure that you guys had all the information there. As you saw me fishing it, I was using my Corrado DC, 7-foot, medium heavy, and I had 30-pound braid on there because I was fishing in lots of cover in areas that I had to pull them out of. And so I wanted to make sure that you guys knew about that as well. Also, as you notice, this couple of videos here, and there'll be a few more where I'm actually going to be doing some swim bait fishing. So it's still a topwater thing, and I'm always about topwater, but I had all of these swim bait lures and soft plastics, hard plastics. I had all this stuff that I've never really fished with. And so the way the fish are biting and these new locations that I'm now going to, these lures are looking like they are perfect for fishing them. So what we're going to do is over the next couple of weeks here, you're going to see me doing some swim bait fishing with these lures. But then also, of course, topwater will always be mixed in there. New topwater lure reviews will always be around as well. But I'm just trying to do something a little bit different here to give you guys a little bit more variety. In other words, topwater is not just top water. It's also subsurface, and it's also subsurface in the shallows. And that's where I seem to be fishing the most, is subsurface in the shallows. That's where they are. That's where they're hitting at. So that's what we're up to. So I just wanted to kind of give you guys a little bit of insight of where I'm going and what I'm up to here on the channel. Now, if you have any questions about these lures or what I'm fishing with or any of that stuff, please leave a comment below. Happy to give you all my thoughts and ideas. Swim baiting is something new for me, and so I'm trying to kind of get used to it, trying to figure it out, trying to get a little bit more comfortable with it. And I'll tell you over time the rods and things I'm using, because I'm really not buying anything new to swim bait fish with. I'm using my existing rods, and I'll tell you all about that as well. So if you have any questions, please leave a comment below. But I just want to thank each and every one of you guys for subscribing to the channel. Please make sure you hit the like button. If you're not subscribed, hit the subscribe button. And I just want to thank each and every one of you for watching the channel. So always that phrase, keep your line tight, because when they hit those topwater lures, especially these little swim bait lures like this, it's going to be a big bite. I'll see you in the next video.